Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil for face. Dilute oregano oil to 0, 5 to 2% in jojoba or sweet almond oil before applying any product to your face. Start with a tiny amount on your forearm and monitor for redness or itching for 24 hours. If you see irritation, rinse and discontinue use. Keep all oils away from eyes and store them in a cool, dark place. Begin with a clean, dry face and use a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and makeup. Mix 1 drop of oregano oil into a teaspoon of carrier oil to create a safe dilution for spot treatment. Use a cotton swab to apply the blend to a single blemish or small area, avoiding the eye region. Limit use to once nightly and watch your skin closely for 3 to 7 days to assess tolerance. Oregano oil is potent and requires respect. Consult a healthcare provider if you are pregnant or breastfeeding before use. If you notice burning, excessive dryness, or flaking, reduce application frequency or lower the dilution. Never apply to open wounds and avoid combining with strong acids or retinoids immediately after application. Keep a record of how your skin responds and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.